The Himalayas is often associated with its rugged beauty and adventure travel. However, there is a very unique and thriving cottage industry, and that is handmade Himalayan shawls. Since I've been traveling to the Himalayas, I've always loved their handmade shawls. The wool is extremely soft and refined, and the designs are unique yet contemporary. So I thought that this would make a very interesting subject to share, and the owner, Mr. Bodh, was kind enough to let me film the day-to-day operations in his factory. It all begins in the yarn room, where all the various colored yarns are stored. Upon deciding on the design, the weavers will collect the proper colors and begin installing them on the looms. It is a very labor-intensive, intricate, and skilled process. A lot of time and effort goes into the preparation of the loom, especially if there is a decorative border in the shawl. Once all the various colored threads have been assembled, the design finalized, and the loom set up to the weaver's criteria, the process of weaving begins. Not all shawls are so intricate. The plain solid colored ones are less labor intensive and take less time to complete. Watching the creation of these shawls is quite mesmerizing. There is a lot of hand, eye, and foot coordination on the weaver's part, along with the intimate understanding of the machines they are using. It is quite a hypnotic marvel to behold as the weaver works the loom to create something beautiful from what was once simple strands of threads. After the weaving process is completed, the shawls are taken to the finishing room. Here they are carefully inspected, and what little imperfections are attended to meticulously. There are also a couple of employees who are literally tying up loose ends, either by hand or by machine. The final product is then brought to their small showroom to be retailed locally. However, the majority of the shawls are exported in bulk to large stores in India and to distributors all over the world, all from this small factory in the Himalayas. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of Himalayan shawls. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe to this channel. And I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more to come.